Okay, in this video we are highlighting the time slider in MARACOOS OceansMap. So the time slider is here on the bottom of the screen. By default, OceansMap opens at the active time, so it's August 31st at 11 a.m. right now. And then the time slider defaults to 2 days in the past and 2 days into the future. The user can change the time on the time slider by clicking on the line here, and if the user does that, that will update the data displaying on the map to whatever time is clicked. The user can also update the active time and the time range with this button here. To set the active time, the user clicks on this calendar icon. The user can change the time step here, so by default it's at 1 hour. And the user can change the time range here. There's default inputs here, or they can manually change the start and end time by clicking on either of the dates. And these buttons over here, so this button returns to the start, so this point here of the time slider, this jumps back 1 hour or whatever your time step is set to. This will animate on the time slider. This will jump forward by 1 time step, and this button will skip to the end.